Koilamati. With all the villagers, we are gathering here to survey for the settlement of the pipeline. Because since for a long period of time, we don't have drinking waters. We don't have any pure drinking waters in the village. Many people in the village are struggling with the problem of drinking water. So today we decided to survey on the spot to establish, to set up a water pipeline in the village. We contribute 2,000 rupees per family. So we are thinking that it may not be sufficient to adopt this pipeline in the village, because since it is around 3 to 4 kilometers from the river stream from where we are going to set up the pipeline. So we with the help of the social media, we request all the organization and all the political leaders to support with us to bring pure waters in the village. Thank you.
Ini tum ladak niram intia rong bin wa kedai gitu tum nili tum penangan aningkan arji giding pen lapuna rong dolo ateke Koilamati long ke niram intia rong ke piseng mate gitu paprang sia rong lo lapena rong apar ko etame nang ke do penang arji ding lo iju na lang ka siksa ka join di paprang ahin pen social media along pusitame lapen news atum long sitame itum cipeklang lo je iju na lang apana ka siksa ateke lang bunga lang tinglu lapen lang bunga lang ason si gijun nang che lang chi ho gijun nang puke penang aji giding pen ni tum news long bethe thai tame ni tum peklang lo ke bon sitame gijun na lang apan our side ka videt lang ajoy ni tum don plike ra fora ra tum thurpak pen dunira mi kiarong rong bin kedai gido tum ni tum thurpak pen si pini gijun na lang kilongjia pan pura adiman ateke lang roi so long nilitum survey pan dam lo atwa heta me nang chorlo non la dana ja ke ding hita kilometer hinian adak nang li etlo lapen non nilitum ki puna ji lang ke kilometer ke thom mate kilometer hini ason lom do ji la so angbong nilitum lang kilongjia pan pura adon pen si suri hini penitum chirung lo so ke chirung pen so lang ke banji panitum chisig lo lasi labang so lang mesen pen ke longjia pan pura nili tum makamata long ini social organization punon lapen political along leaders atum punon lapen hampang asong along claim bang atum pangsitami kachuni ripona bangke nili tum rong pen ka chirung der bangke ni tum pepleng ne det tahai ebon sitame nalitum lapen kadoka behitame unan pen nang cheradu na sonte nilitum tame kijuna lang mesen pen longji puson sinilitum ningkelo na sila bangso kijuna lang kiwan ipepleng thekje panilitum unan penitum bor ibom porong pen sitame lapen nang cherab nang cheto tum phang sitame ba tuning ripon lo je nilitum long mesen pen kijuna lang ke long dap je pan nang cherab dum tha pusi bang poten batame tuning ripon tame pedolo la hello nililam theke